विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदक प्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु नो देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामः सिद्धिर्भवतु नो सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपं आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथि करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वञ्च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अद्यतन पंचांगम अक्टोबर 9th प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शरदृतौ आश्विनी मासे शुक्लपक्षे चतुर्थी तिथि till 7:25 PM स्थिरवासरः अनुराधा नक्षत्रम my mother's star 29 till 5:14 AM tomorrow morning ज्येष्ठा नक्षत्रम followed by that प्रीति योगः till 9 AM followed by आयुष्मान योगः till 5:34 AM tomorrow followed by सौभाग्य योगः। वणिक करणम till 8:50 AM will be done soon followed by विष्टि करणम till 7:25 AM followed by भवकरणम till almost 6:02 AM tomorrow followed by बालवकरणम। सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। So anyone can recap 40th Sarga?
So I think Sagaraputra goes and start digging the earth and start looking at the Ashtadikkajas. Yeah, and then after digging the earth, and they will see the Ashtadikkajas, right?
Right. As they see each Ashtadikkaja, they do a pranam, the pradakshinam to them, and finally they reach to the north, where Kapila Bhagavan is doing his tapas, but Avidurat was the point there. Not very far away from him, they found the Yajñashva also, and immediately they made up their mind that he must be the horse, Ashvahartacha. So they thought he must be the stealer or the thief of that horse, and immediately wanted to attack on him with their shulaha, ashani shulaha, parighaha, and some of them with vrikshas, some of them with rocks. They wanted to attack on him. And then we all read that hunkara matrena, hum, he said, and all of them have become rashi bhasma rashi bhutaha, 60,000 heaps of ashes. They all got burnt to ash. So we continue from there. अथ एकचत्वारिंशः सर्गः
अथ एकाचत्रिंश सर्गः
पुत्रांश्चिरगतान् ज्ञात्वा
पुत्रान् शिरगतान् ज्ञात्वा
सगरो रघुनन्दन
सगरो रघुनन्दन
नप्तारमब्रवीद् राजा
नप्तारब्रवीत् राजा
दीप्यमानं स्वतेजसा
दीप्यमाना स्वतेजसा.
Deepyamanam Svatejasa. So, Napta is another nice classical Vedic term for Pautraha. Pautraha is what we typically say for son, grandson. Napta is the another one, especially in marriages. If you listen to those Vedic mantras, where that will be the last moment they say when girl's Gotram is being changed, bride's Gotram. And that time they read all the 3 generations of the bride, all the 3 generations of the bridegroom. And then they say, from here, this will be Prathama Vibhakti, this will be Chaturthi Vibhakti. To him, we are giving. So they'll say Napta, so and so's Napta, so and so's Putra, so and so. To him, we are giving, they say. So Napta is grandson. Naptaram means unto the grandson. Raja Abravit. Raja said. Unto what kind of Napta? Deepyamanam, glowing. What kind of, why? Swatejasa, by his own tejas, he is glowing. So Raghunandana, Putrans chiragatan jnatva, chirangataha, chiranjiva, live long, chirangataha, gone forever, means passed away. So jnatva, by knowing the news of the loss of all of his 60,000 sons, Sagaraha Raja, Deepyamanam Naptaram Svatejasa, Deepyamanam Naptaram Raja Abravit. He said this. What did he say? Shurascha Kritavidyascha
Shurascha Kritavidyascha
Purvais Tulyosi Tejasa
Purvais Tulyosi Tejasa
Pitrunam Gatimanvicha
Pitrunam Gatimanvischa
Yena Chashvopavahitah.
Yena Chashvopavahitah.
So Sagara is telling his grandson, his beloved grandson Anshuman, is saying, Krita Vidyaha, you are well educated, meaning you have completed all the, Dhanurveda, etc., etc. So you are a well talented. Krita Vidyaha is talented, accomplished, talented. Krita Vidyaha, Shuraha, and by that you are also a very brave and valorous person. Purvaihi tulyaha, you are also equivalent to your ancestors, meaning you are such, you are no less than your ancestors. So Purvaihi tulyaha asi, you are. By Tejasa. In Tejas, you are no less than your ancestors. You are very talented and also brave. So Anvicha, Anveshanam Kuru is Anvicha, means go search, go find. Whom? Pitrunam Gatim, find where the parents are, where their Rashis, etc. are. Yenacha Ashvaha Apavahitaha, from whom the horse is also stolen away. So go find your parents, your uncles, as well as the horse, is essentially the instruction given by Sagara to his grandson Anshuman. Antarbhaumani Satvani
Antarbhaumani Satvani
Viryavanti Mahanticha
Viryavanti Mahanticha
Tesham Tvam Pratigatartham
Tesham Tvam Pratighatartham
Sasim Grinhishva Karmukam.
Sasim Gruhnishva Karmukam.
So he's now also sort of guiding him. Hey, if 60,000 of your uncles, those are supposed to be the most strongest one, as blessed and by Bhrigu Maharshi to your auntie. If they are gone, then you need to go well prepared. So Sa Asim, Asi is sword. Khadgam, another name for it is Asi. Asidhara Vratam, they say. Like if you cut with a very sharp knife, just as the blood would fall, so also Asidhara Vratam. So likewise, uninterrupted, to say that is Asidhara Vratam. So Asi is Khadga. Asim Karmukam. Karmukam is Dhanuhu, bow. So go with bow and sword, which means go with all armory, with all weapons, so that you are well prepared to face those strong guys who have killed your own strong uncles. So Antarbhaumani Satvani. He is saying what could be those forces there. Sagara is imagining and telling him. Antarbhaumani, they could be underground forces. Antarbhaumani Satvani, Viryavanti, Viryavat Satvani. So Viryavat Bhavachanam is Viryavanti in Napunsakalinga. Viryavanti Mahanti, they must be very strong warriors, probably even underground warriors. So Tesham Pratighatartham, to withstand them, or to Pratighata is the attack from them. We have that nice Geet also, right? Does anyone remember Pratighat or Sangha-Geet? Raghuji? Pratighato me sumanasata surabhi khilta साधक हंस हंस कण गिलता है जीवन भर अविचल चलता है स्वधेय की ओर तपस्वी जीवन भर अविचल चलता है जीवन भर अविचल चलता है. So in that they say Pratighato me, of some Pratighato, I am not remembering the lyrics correctly. If anyone remembers, tell me. Jivanike Pratighato me, probably. So all the attacking, all the resistance and attacks that you might get, in spite of that, a sadhaka will continue the work. So we say, Pratighatam, Tesham Pratighatartham. So in order to face the attacks from those strong forces, probably, you tvam sa asim karmukam grunhishva. You take the bow and the sword, that means all the weapons, go with all armory to face them. Abhivadya abhivadyanstvam.
Abhivadya abhivadyanstvam.
Hatva vignakaranapi.
Hatva vignakaranapi.
Siddhartha sannivartasva.
Siddhartha sannivartasva.
Mama yajnasya paragaha.
Mama yajnasya paragaha.
So he is also instructing further. Abhivadyan tvam abhivadya. Abhivadyaha means those who deserve abhivadanam, means namaskara. Those who deserve pranams, that means those who are good people, satvik log hai, unko abhivadya, unko abhivadanam karke. So do pranams to those who deserve them. Vignakaran api hatva. Those who obstruct you, get rid of them, kill them. Vignakaran hatva abhivadyan abhivadya siddharthaha. Siddha arthaha. That's the name of, that's a popular name also, right from Gautam Siddhartha, who is our Buddha Bhagavan. Siddha arthaha. Arthaha yasya siddhaha saha siddharthaha. One who has accomplished his purpose is a siddhartha. So what means? A purpose accomplisher or an accomplisher. One accomplished probably is the name there. Siddhartha. Siddhartha nivartasva. Return back as a mission accomplished person. Don't come back fulfilled don't come back without completing your mission. Not only of finding your uncles, मम यज्ञस्य पारगः. Paragah, param yah gamayati sah paragah. One who takes you further is paragah. So mama yajnasya paragah, you will be the one who will take my yajna to the next stage, which means to the completion. We were almost complete. We are only now waiting for yajna. We got interrupted only for the ashva because the horse was stolen away. If you bring it back, our yajna will be complete and we will go to the next stage. So mama yajnasya paragah siddhartha cha nivartasva, come back successfully, essentially, is the blessing he gives, Sagara gave to Anshuman.
So, Bhogaji, one quick question.
Ah.
It doesn't seem like Sagara is very much troubled by the death of his sons, and
You will
he's
read
worried
this
more
sloka.
about his yajna here than.
You will read that sloka. You will also
Okay.
read that sloka later. Yes, Valmiki himself directly says, he's not so much worried about those loss of the sons. He's only worried about completing the yajna. If you take it positive sense, I mean, story-wise, yeah, what kind of a father he is, you might think. But in the positive sense, task-oriented, family and all. That is what we say right in our Subhashitam also. Tyajedekam kulasyarthe, gramasyarthe kulam tyajet. Gramam janapadasyarthe, atmanam prithvim tyajet. So if we take positive note of what to learn from him, for the bigger task of yajna, your family, your sons shouldn't matter. Probably that is a positive way, lesson to take from. But you are right. From a story drama point of view, yeah, what he doesn't care. But in fact, if you see, that is what Rama is also learning from all these stories. Essentially, Rama's character is being formed by Vishwamitra by telling all these stories of times before him. So family doesn't matter. For your responsibility as the head of the state, family doesn't matter. If you have to give up family. But state is important. Nation is important. So like that. Eva muktum shuman samyak.
Evamukto shuman samyak.
Sagarena mahatmana.
Sagarena mahatmana.
Dhanuradaya khadgam cha.
Dhanuradaya khadgam cha.
Jagama laghu vikramaha.
Jagama laghu vikramaha.
So evam uktaha, thus blessed or thus instructed, thus told Anshuman, samyak, properly told, by Sagarena Mahatmana, by Mahan Sagara, Mahatma Sagara, thus told, he Dhanuradaya, as instructed, he picked the Dhanu. Adaya means by taking it, by earning it. I mean, Adaya literally is by earning it, but here it means by taking it, by taking Dhanu into his hand. Khadgam cha, he took the Khadga also. Jagama, he left. Laghu vikramaha, Laghu is short. If you take short steps, do you walk faster or slower? Did you observe?
Yeah,
There will be some
faster.
people, you will see, your velocity will be more with shorter steps, then you'll be walking. So Laghu Vikrama is typically an adjective used to somebody who is quick at doing the tasks. It's called Laghu Vikramaha. Sa khatam pitrubhir margam.
Sakhatam pitrubhir margam.
Antarbhaumam mahatmabhi.
Antarbhaumam mahatmabhi.
Prapadyata narasreshtha.
Prapadyata narasreshtha.
Tena rajnyabhichoditaha.
Tena rajnyabhichoditaha.
So, tena rajnya abhichoditaha. Choditaha, chodanam means what? We said that couple times when we quoted Gayatri Mantra.
So then he is driving.
Driving, no.
Activate.
Activate, motivate or activate, correct. So, Prachodayat. Prachodayat, we took that example a couple times from Gayatri Mantra, right? So, abhichoditaha means motivated by or activated by or influenced by, driven by. I think last time Shyamji said driven by also. So, driven by the Rajna, by the Raja, Narasreshtaha, the best of the men, Anshuman, Pitrubhihi, Mahatmabhihi, Antarbhaumam Khatam prapadyata. Khatam is khananam kritam yat tad khatam. All the dug places, all the places that were dug by his pitrus, by his uncles. He went along all those paths trying to find where they are. Finally, prapadyata, he reached there. Daitya Danava Rakshobhihi
Daitya Dhanava Rakshobhihi
Pishacha Patagoragaihi
Pishacha Patagoragai
Pujyamanam Mahateja
Pujyamanam Mahateja
Disha Gajam Apashyata.
Tisha Gajam Apakshata.
So he also went in the same path as wherever his uncles have dug. So as he was going, he also saw the Disha Gajam. When we saw the first Disha Gaja, their parents saw. Do we all remember what all Disha Gajas?
Yes, Virupaksha, Mahapadmamu, Padma, Saumanasam.
Saumanasa. Uttamam, Uttamam. Good. What's your name? Not Lavanya. What's
Sunita.
Sunita ji? Uttamam. Disham. So Disha Gajam Apashyata. He also saw that Disha Gaja. After going through several Daitya Danava Rakshobhihi Pishacha Patagoragaihi. So this Disha Gaja, which is worshipped and praised by Daityas, by Danavas, by Rakshasa. Typically, whether we hear Rakshas or we hear Danav or we hear Daitya, first thing that occurs to our mind is Rakshasa. Right? If so, why are there so many words? Why are there so many names? So Diti, Aditi, there are two wives of Kashyapa, the first Prajapati. So Diti's sons are called Daityas. It so happened that most of them are dirty fellows, wrong fellows. And so Daitya became a word for bad, evil guys. But by etymology, Daitya is son of Diti. Just as Aditi's son is Aditya. Right? So sun and the other bodies, so divine celestial bodies, are sons of Aditi. Diti's sons are Daityas. And Danavaha. Manava's opposite is Danava. So Danavaha. Rakshaha. My grandfather used to say, but I felt that used to be probably a leftist kind of approach, but etymologically it is correct. So Rakshaha. Raksham yah karoti saha rakshasah. They say. They protect their tribes. They protect their communities. Their tribal leader is a Rakshas. Rakshobhihi. One who do Raksha. Raksha of whom? Of their tribes. Is a Raksha. So not necessarily an evil guy. But literal meaning is of Rakshasa is Rakshaha. Raksham yah karoti saha rakshasa. So by the Daityas, by Danavas, by Rakshas, Pishacha Pataga Uragaihi. Pishachas, we know, afterlife beings, or those who have not yet found a material body. Those who are still hanging around in queue, in wait list for a material body, for a physical body with Panchabhutas, is a Pishacha. And Pataga. Pataga is one who fly with wings. And Uragaha, Urasa Gachanti, reptiles with chest. Uras is chest. So Uraga is those who move by chest, which means crawl, which means reptiles. Uragaihi. By all of them Pujyamanam. By all of them this Dishagajam is worshipped. Such Dishagajam he apashyata, Anshuman saw. Satam pradakshinam kritva.
Satam pradakshinam kritva.
Drishtva chaiva niramayam.
Drishtva chaiva niramayam.
Pitrun sa paripapracha.
Pitrun sa paripapracha.
Vajihartaramevacha.
Vajihartaramevacha.
So like his uncles, and like we said, that is a culture, that is our culture. Anybody great you see, you should do pradakshina. So satam pradakshinam kritva. He also, Anshuman also did pradakshinam to that Dishagajam. Prishtvacha niramayam, onto that niramaya, one who does not have any sickness. That means very healthy, strong in Dishagajam, unto that great Dishagaja, that big elephant, who is bearing this entire earth. Unto it, having done the Pradakshinam, he also asked him. By the way, my parents, my uncles also would have come here. Have you seen them? Pitrun sa paripapracha. He inquired. Paripapracha. Valmikir Munipungavam. We remember the very first shloka. Who remembers? Who can say the first shloka? Prajna, first shloka of Ramayanam.
Tapassadhaya nirtam. Tapasvi vangvidamaram. Narad paripapracha. Valmikir Munipungavam.
Valmikir Munipungavam. Valmikihi paripapracha. He inquired Narada. So also, paripapracha means asked. Prashnam kritavan. Iti paripapracha. Pitrun paripapracha. He inquired Dishagajam after doing pradakshanam to him. By the way, do you know where my uncles are? Where can I find them? I am in search of them. Also, Vajihartaram. He also inquired about who would have stolen our Yajnashva. Have you seen our Yajnashva anywhere? Have you seen my uncles in search of them? It seems they are no more. I want to find out where can I find them. That is what he asked Dishagaja. Dishagajastu tachrutva.
Dishagajastu tachrutva.
Pratyaham shumato vachaha.
Pratyaham shumato vachaha.
Asamanja kritarthastvam.
Asamanja kritarthastvam.
Sahashvaha shigrameshyasi.
Sahashvaha shigrameshyasi.
Shigrameshyasi. So the Dishagaja tachrutva, by listening to the inquiry of Anshuman, Pratyaha, aha is to say. Pratyaha, he replied back. Anshumato vachaha, Anshumato vachaha, Dishagajaha tu. Tat shrutva, Pratyaha, he replied. What it is? Asamanja. Asamanja's sons are Asamanjaha. So Asamanja, mean the sons of Asamanja, we know, right? Who is Anshuman's father? Asamanjas. So Asamanja's son will be called what? Dasharatha's son is who?
Dasharatha.
Dasharathi. Janaka's son, Janaka's daughter?
Janaki.
Janaki. So Asamanja's son?
Asamanja.
Asamanja. So we are learning Sanskritam. Right? So akarantam word, if you have to say of it, you make that dirgha typically. Dasharathas, Dasharatha. Janakas, Janaki. Asamanjas, Asamanja.
That can be used for any name, is it, Bhogaji?
Most of them. Tadhidantas are typically, you have hundreds of, most of the pratyayas or the ru or, the way Panini had to put was because in these tadhidantas, there is no fixed set of rule. Sometimes it will become Dasharathi, but sometimes it will only become Asamanja. It doesn't become Asamanji. So he had to invent several pratyayas for every such exception that he found in the vocabulary. But more or less similarly you can make up. So I used to say in my childhood. So for example, Kuru. Kurus will be Kaurava. Kurus of Kuru, if we have to say, will be Kaurava. Of Guru, Gaurava. So Gaurava word means what? Gaurava is the attribute or is the deserving quality of a Guru. So a Guru can be given Gaurava. That is what it means. So likewise, I used to say, oh, what will be Bhoga's son, daughter? Should be Bhogi. There is no pratyaya, it cannot be made. So I made a Bhogi. Like that. So yeah, like that we can make up. So what? And the Asamanja is an addressal, Sambodhana Vibhakti. Asamanja, Kritarthaha Tvam. You will find them. Shighram Eshyasi. You will reach there quickly. Eshyasi, Ehi, Eshyasi. You shall in Bhavishyat Kala. Shighram Saha Ashvaha, along with the Ashva, Kritarthaha Tvam Eshyasi. You will go find this, you will be able to find the horse very soon. That is the only blessing he gave. He did not say where he is because the uncles went further away from them. Tasya tadvacha-
Kritartha means what?
We just said before, right? Even Sagara used the same blessing to Anshuman. Krita arthaha. Arthaha kritaha yena saha krita arthaha. One who has served the purpose or accomplished the purpose. A successful person, accomplished guy is krita arthaha. Siddhartha. Sorry. Previously, Sagara used Siddhartha. Siddhartha is one who has achieved the purpose. Kritartha, one who has completed the purpose.
Accomplished. Mission accomplished.
Right.
Yeah.
Slight difference. Siddhartha is purely accomplished because you have achieved the purpose. Artham siddhita. Siddhi. Arthasya siddhim praptavan. Here, krita arthaha. You have done the purpose. Whether you are successful or not, we still do not know. But you have completed the task. That means, yeah, more or less same. But literally the meaning could be slightly different. That atra kritam arthaha, kritaha arthaha, there it is siddhaha arthaha. Siddhartha.
Is it like completing your exam and then getting results also positively?
Correct. You are complete. Exactly. Super. You have given your paper, completed the exam, then you are kritarthaha. But you got, distinction or whatever. You got seat in the college, the best college that you were expecting. Then you are siddhartha. Very good example, Soumyaji. Uttamam. Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Tasya tadvachanam shrutva.
Sarvaneva disha gajan.
Sarvaneva disha gajan.
Yatha kramam yatha nyayam.
Yatha kramam yatha nyayam.
Prashtum samupachakrame.
Prashtum samupachakrame.
So tasya tadvachanam shrutva, by listening to that blessing or that instruction from that disha gaja, sarvan disha gajan eva. So rest all disha gajas also, as he went on searching in that path that was already dug, not laid, dug by his uncles. Wherever they also met, he also met those disha gajas. Sarvanapi yatha kramam, in that order. First Virupaksha, then Mahapadma, then Supadma, Saumanasa, etc. So in that order, and yatha nyayam, as per the protocols. You have to do pradakshina, you have to do namaskara, then you have to do abhivadanam, all of that. So yatha nyayam, prashtum samupachakrame. He went on asking each of those dashagajas. Prashtum, prashnam kartum, in order to ask. He went on to ask each of the dishagajas of inquiring about his uncles and the Yajnashva and the Ashvahartaram. Ashvahartacha, he wanted to find out. Taischa sarvai dishapalaihi.
Taischa sarvai dishapalaihi.
Vakyajnair vakyakovidaihi.
Vakyajnair vakyakovidaihi.
Pujitas sahayaschaiva.
Pujita sahayaschaiva.
Gantasithyabhichoditaha.
Gantasithyabhichoditaha.
Taihi, by them, by all these dishagajas, taihi vakyajnaihi vakyakovidaihi dishapalaihi sarvaihi pujitaha. So he was also in turn honored by all those sarvajnaihi, all knowledgeable, vakya kovidaihi, vakyajnaihi, those who are well versed, vakyajnaihi, well versed, vakya kovidaihi, good expressors, if I can say, those who can express well, vakya kovidaihi. Dishapalaihi, those who are the dishapal, dikpalaha. Those disha gajas, they are in a way dishapalas because they are the ends there. Dikpalaihi pujitaha, by honored them. Sahayaha chaiva. So Sahayaha, Sahaya, he was worshipped by them and cooperated or helped by them. Gantasit abhichoditaha. Each one was giving an answer and whatever guidelines they can give. Keeping those guidelines in mind, he Ganta asit. He went on going forward. He went on moving. He moved on. Tesham tad vachanam shrutva
Tesham tad vachanam shrutva
jagama laghu vikramaha
jagama laghu vikramaha
bhasma rashi krita yatra
bhasma rashi krita yatra
pitarastasya sagaraha.
pitarastasya sagara.
So same way, Dasharatha's son is
Dasharatha.
Dasharati.
Dasharathi. Janaka's is
Janaki.
Janaki. Asamanjas is
Asamanjas.
Sagaras will be
Sagara.
Sagara.
Sagaraha. So Sagaraha means they are sons of Sagara. So Pitaraha Sagaraha Tasya Pitaraha Sagaraha Yatra Bhasmarashi Kritaha Tatra Laghu Vikramaha Jagama. So quickly in a swift manner, taking instructions after inquiring each Dikpala, finally he has reached that place. Yatra Bhasmarashi Kritaha Tasya Pitaraha Sagaraha. His uncles where they were made into heaps of ashes. That place finally he reached. Sadukhavashamapannaha
Sadukha vashamapannaha
Tvasamanja sutastada
tvasamanjas sutasada stada
Chukrosha paramartastu
chukrosha paramartastu
Vadhat tesham sudukhitaha.
vadhat tesham sudhukkitaha dukkhitaha.
So duksu dukkhitaha, very sorrowful, very hurt, with lot of pain, by realizing those bhasmarashi kritaha tasya pitaraha, by seeing those heaps of ashes of his uncles, he felt very sorrow, very unhappy. So dukkha vasham apannaha, he fell into the sorrow. Tu asamanjaha tada chukrosha akrosham kritavan, means he felt very emotional, he became very emotional. Parama artaha, very sorrowful, very tragic he became. Tesham vadhat, because of they being killed, because his uncles were killed. Looking at those ashes of ash heaps, he felt very sorrowful. Yagniyam chahayam tatra
Yagneyam chahayam tatra
charantam avidurataha
charantam avidurataha
dadarsha purusha vyagro
dadarsha purusha vyagro
dukkha shoka samanvitaha.
dukkha shoka samanvitaha.
So not only did he see the heaps of ashes there, tatra cha tatra avidurataha, again same thing, not very far away from there. Charantam, gazing it is called. What does a horse do?
Yeah, grazing.
Grazing. So he saw not very far away from there. Yagniyam hayam, that Yajnashva he has seen there. Dadarsha, he saw it. Purushavyagraha, like Narashardula, like that Purushavyagraha, lion of the men. But dukkha shoka samanvitaha, however, full of dukkha and shoka. How do we say the two words for this? Dukkha and shoka. Sorrow and
Grief.
grief. Grief and sorrow. Perfect, Sriranji. Very good. So full of with that Narashardha, that Purushavyagra, full of grief and sorrow and grief, finally saw the horse also not very far away from there. That means around there, nearby there. Satesham Rajaputranam Kartukamo Jalakriyam Salilarthi Mahateja Nachapasyad Jalashayam
Nashapachat Jalapayam.
Jalashayam. So, having seen that, finally Kritartha, because he found his uncles, he found the Yajnashva also. What next? What should be done? Jalakriyam. Finally, we have to, offer all this bhasma. You have to, dip it in the river, in the water. 60,000 of them. And his uncles are not ordinary guys. They were the mighty, strongest, big bulls. So imagine the Rashi, each Rashi. So if you have to find so much water for that, Nacha jalam apashyat. Nacha pashyat jalashayam. He did not see any jala ashaya. Ashaya means a big water body, a big river, a big, huge lake. He didn't find around in order to do jalakriya, all the udaka kriya, all the last rituals that you have to do for those who are gone. Kartukamaha, jalakriyam kartukamaha, Rajaputranam jalakriyam kartukamaha, desirous of completing, of doing the final rituals of his uncles, who are the princes. Satesham Rajaputranam jalakriyam kartukamaha salilarthi. Salilam is
Water.
water. See how, see meaning I am seeing myself. Before you know the language, as I used to tell several other words, right? They all seemed like foreign, because I knew only Telugu and English and a bit of Hindi here and there from some of those Amitabh Bachchan movies. All other words, any other non-words which don't belong to these languages were foreign to me. So when I used to hear a name called in the Akashvani radio, All India Radio, we used to listen to Vividh Bharati in the night, all Hindi songs, beautiful old songs. So they say the name of the singer, name of the movie, and the lyricist name also, luckily those days, they used to mention. So there's a Salil Chowdhury. I used to think he must be some Muslim or somebody, Salil, because that word I never knew. In Telugu, nobody has Salil name, right? So Salil Chowdhury, some Muslim, he must be in the north, somebody. Later when I learned Sanskritam, Salilam means water, Jalam. So Salila Arthi, one who
Actually,
is... Huh?
Bhagaya, Salila means, is it flowing water like with Leela, or it is just any water?
Good question. I too do not know, but we can find out the Vyutpatti for it. Salila, Salilam. I don't know if it is with Leela, but Salila. I do not know. I'll find out and get back to you. But good inquiry. So Salilarthi, in seeking Salilam, is Salilarthi. Putrarthi, seeking children, is Putrarthi. Putrarthi, Dhanarthi, seeking money, is Dhanarthi. So likewise Salilarthi. Here Anshuman, in order to perform the final rites of his uncles, is in search of water, looking for water. Parantu nacha apashyat. He did not find, he did not see Jalashayam anywhere. So Prabhaji, come, you came at right time. This is what you have, your story is starting now. So he is now going to search for water. And finally, the whole Gangavataranam thing starts from here. But the background story is in 3 sargas before. No, Prabhuji, you can go, that's okay. I just saw you and remembered your Gangavataranam story. So so as you're understanding, right, now the actual story is setting into a scene of how Ganga had to be brought. But who brought Bhagiratha? Where is Bhagiratha? He is not yet born. That means the story of bringing Ganga to the earth started with Anshuman. Anshuman to his son, to Bhagirath finally goes, and finally Bhagirath achieves and bringing Ganga to the earth. And great story it will run. Stay tuned with this podcast style. Stay tuned. Visarya nipunam drishtim.
Visarya nipunam drishtim.
Tato pashyat khagadhipam.
Tato pashyat khagadhipam.
Pitrunam matulam Rama.
Pitrunam matulam Rama.
Suparnam anilotpamam.
Suparna manilopamam.
Visarya. prasarya, visar. Sara is far away. Visarya means prasara kritva, means he looked around. Nipunam drishtim. Nipuna, very sharply, with focused vision, he looked all around to find the water bodies. Tataha, from there. However, Khagadipam, Suparnam, Anilopamam, Pitrunam, Matulam, Apashyat. So he finally, though he was actually looking for water around, he finally found Anilopamam. Anila is
Wind.
wind. Anala is fire.
Oh, okay.
That's why Sanskritam pronunciation is very, very, very important. For Arab guys and so the English and Western guys also, all vowels are is only one sound. That's why sometimes I becomes a, I becomes e, I becomes I. So several times when I hear impedance, I is pronounced almost nowadays by Americans as a. Hello, I is e at least, or I. But for us, anil is wind, anal is fire. So Nala, Nila, they are those two sons. Anila's son is Nila, Anala's son is Nala. In Ramayana, later they come, right? The Vanaras, the two architects. So Anila Upamam, like wind. Suparnam, Parna is feathers. Feather, leaf also, but looking similar. Those that are lightweight and can fly are Parnas. Suparna, the best wings, is the Garuda, right? Essentially. So, like wind, Garuda, with the best huge wings, and Pitrunam Matulam. So, Garuda happens to be Matula, the mama, the uncle, maternal uncle of their uncles. So, of Sagaras, Matulaha seems to be Khagadipa, who is Garuda. And Khagadipa, Ke Gachati Khagaha. Typically, anything that is moving in space is called Khaga. Typically used for birds like eagle especially. But Khaga is also Surya. Khagaya Namaha, we say, because he is also in sky. Khaga can be any other celestial body also. So it can be anything that is in sky. So Khaga Adhipa, the head or the best of all the Khagas, is Khagadipa, who is Garuda. So Suparnam. So how do you differentiate Khaga here? That is why if the Suparna qualifier was not there, we could be confused. Is it sun? Is it any other bird? By qualifying it with Anilopamam Suparnam, the big wings, that can be nobody else but Garuda. So he saw the Garuda, essentially, who was like wind, who can fly like wind with the huge best wings, and it also happens to be the uncle of his uncles Sagaras. Sachaivam abravid vakyam.
Sachaivam abravid vakyam.
Vainateyo mahabalaha.
Vainateyo mahabalaha.
Ma shucha purushavyagra.
Ma shucha purushavyagra.
Vadhoyam lokasammataha.
Madhoyam lokasammataha.
So, there was one question. Sir Srirangi also asked it, right? His sons were killed, but he is not worried. Sagara is not worried about them, but he is worried about Yajna. Probably there is a reason. Here also, what is Vainateyaha? What can be the meaning of Vainateya?
Garuda.
Son of Vinata.
Vinati's son.
Vinata's son is Vainateya. Correct? Very good. So, just as Himavan's daughter is
Hemavati.
Haimavati. So, E becomes I, U becomes O, O becomes A. These are called Vriddhis. There are gunas, there are Vriddhis in Sanskritam. So, Vriddhi Sandhi. Vainateyaha Mahabalaha Sacha Evam Vakyam abravit. He said this sentence to the grief-stricken Anshuman. What did he say? Ma Purusha Vyaghra, Ma Shuchaha. Ma Shucha is a standard thing for us. Ma Shucha, Bhagavad Gita also, Krishna says to Arjuna, right? Ma Shucha. Don't worry, essentially. Don't worry. Why? Ayam Vadaha, this killing, Lokasammataha. That's okay. It is accepted by the world. This killing. It is not a sympathetic, or it is not a, what is it called? You need not sympathize with it. It is okay. This killing is sort of accepted because of all the destruction they have done to the earth and to several species. Their killing is sort of acceptable. So don't worry, essentially, is what Vainateya is telling to Anshuman. Kapilena prameyena dagdha hime mahabalaha salilam narhasi prajna datum esham hi laukikam. So he is answering. Vainateya is further telling him this killing is okay. Why? Because of two reasons. One, of course, all the destruction that they have done to the earth. Second one is aprameyena kapilena dagdhaha hi ime mahabalaha. Ime mahabalaha means these mahabalas are burnt to ashes by aprameya kapila. So Lavaji, aprameya, ameya, aprameya. Aprameyena dagdhaha hi me mahabalaha. So he is further saying, laukikam esham laukikam salilam prajnanarhasi. For them, you cannot give this ordinary water that we all use, this city water or this ordinary water. You cannot offer their final rites with this ordinary water. Laukikam salilam na arhasi datum. You cannot give them the ordinary laukika water. What should you do? Let's all say this, because now Gangavataranam's mission is being set. Let's all say it. Ganga himavato jyeshtha duhita purusharshabha tasyam kuru mahabaho pitrunam tu jalakriyam. If you read, then you will be reading mistakes also. It is not mahabaho. It's a typo there. So you should listen and read. So now Ganga's Tripatha Gami, we said, right? Tripatha Ga. That was the original question of Rama to Vishwamitra. Why is she called Tripatha Ga? To which the three paths in several stories Vishwamitra started telling. The first is Sarga, where he tells the story, first path is of Himavan Nagadhipaha. He has two daughters. Jyeshtha is Ganga. All gods came and took her away for the Shuchi purpose, for serving the purity, for giving them purity. Then, in competition, Uma also said, hey, I also should achieve something. And Uma also did big tapas. And finally, she got Shankara. And then, so that was the first path of Ganga. She went to the Swarlokam to help or to serve gods. Then the second path was when Uma had to give birth to a child. They were disturbed by the Manmatha and later all gods. And finally, all that Shiva's Tejas brought through Agni, wrapped with a Vayu in water, left on Prithvi near Himalaya foothills, which then became all gold and Sagirikanana Vyapta, all that story, to bring that Senapati, because Shiva and Uma went into tapas. gods need Senapati because Shiva was the Senapati till then. And in fact, if you see the stories, that's how the responsibilities continued. Originally, Mahadeva, Shiva was everything. He was Senapati, he was Ganapati, he was Mahadeva, he was everything. But because he went into tapas, gods wanted a Senapati. Finally, they had to get his, they had to play all the strategies, drama, and finally get his tejas through these Panchamahabhutas. And finally, of course, it helped our earth also, because all our lohas, sarvam sagirikanana vyapta yena tejasa, and suvaranam, sesam, all the various ores and minerals also were from that tejas only of Bhagavan. And finally, Kartikeya was born, and he was given so many names by gods because he was fed by Kritikas. He was given Kartikeya, and he was such a curious, creative boy that because 6 Kritikas claimed him to be their son, he wanted to please all 6 mothers, and so he was fed by all 6 mothers at the same time. So he made himself into 6 faces. So Shadanana, right? And Skalanat Dattaha, so Skandaha, and various such names were given. Agni Sambhavaha, because he was brought by Agni. The Tejas was brought by Agni. So he was born out of Agni. So Agni Sambhavaha. Various such names were given to Kartikeya then. So that is the second purpose she has served. That is the Dvitiya Patha. And the Tritiya Patha is now starting, most important one for us all, because we live in this earth. That too, we all are from Bharat, and so we are lucky. So Ganga Himavato Jyeshtha Duhita Purusharshabha. So Garuda is telling him, see that, O Purusharshabha, the bull of the men, the best of the men, Himavataha, of Himavan, Jyeshtha Duhita. Duhita means daughter. So Duhita's son is Dauhitraha. Putra's son is Pautraha. Duhita's son is Dauhitraha. The elder daughter of Himavan is Ganga. Tasyam Kuru Pitrunam Jalakriyam Mahabaho. O Mahabahu, you offer your Pitrunam Jalakriya in Ganga. She will be capable one, because ordinary water cannot serve your purpose of, the final rites of your uncles. So Garuda gave the first guidance or first instruction to Anshuman to bring Ganga. Or to not bring, to necessarily, all he said is, you offer your Pitrus works in Ganga. But where is Ganga is the next question. Bhasmarashi Krutanetan.
Bhasmarashi Krutanetan.
Plavayel Lokapavani.
Plavaye Lokapavani.
Taya Klinnam Idam Bhasma.
Taya Klinnam Idam Bhasma.
Gangaya Lokakantaya.
Gangaya Lokakantaya.
Shashtim Putra Sahasrani.
Shashtim Putra Sahasrani.
Swargalokam Nayishyati.
Swargalokam Nayishyati.
So now you all understand why we revere Ganga so much. Why in the olden days people used to, towards their end of the life, they used to go and live in Kashi near Ganga, because finally mar jayenge to Ganga mein jayenge. So that Swargalokam Nayishyati. Nayishyati is she will carry us. So Swargalokam Nayishyati, she will carry them to Swargalokam, whom Shashtim Putra Sahasrani, all those 60,000 sons will be carried by her to Swargalokam. Bhasma Rashi Krutan Etan, these Plavayet Lokapavani. Another name of Ganga is Lokapavani. Pavani, Lokapavani, both names. If you hear Pavani name, essentially Ganga, where she purifies. She is the purifier. So Pavani. The two Lokapavani of all worlds. Lokapavani, Etan Bhasmarashi Kritan Plavayet. She shall raise them, fly them, and carry them to Swargalokam. Taya Klinnam Idam Bhasma Gangaya Lokakantaya. So Lokakantaya Gangaya Taya Klinnam idam bhasma swargalokam naishyati. Klinnam is wet or though dissolved in her, she, that Lokakanta, Ganga, will take them to Swargalokam. So in detail, Garuda gave the instruction to Anshuman that look for Ganga. Gacha chashvam mahabhaga
Gaccha chashvam mahabhaga
tam grihya purusharshabha
tam grihya purushashrabha
yajnam paitamaham veera
yagnam paitamaham veera
samvartayitum arhasi.
samvartayitum arhasi.
So he also, not only did he give instructions about what to do with your uncles here, get Ganga somehow or take them to Ganga. If you cannot carry them to Ganga, get Ganga here. That is what is being instructed. But right now, your Pitamaha, he is waiting for the Yajnashva. So Gacha, go now. Tam Ashvam Yajnam Paitamaham Samvartayitum Gacha. Go and in order to conclude and complete the Yajna of the Paitamaha of your grandfather, take this horse and go now. That means go now, complete that, and then continue with your Yajnashva, with taking care of your uncles with Ganga. Suparna Vachanam Shrutva
Suparna Vachanam Shrutva
Somshuman Ativiryavan
Somshuman Ativiryavan
Tvaritam Hayamadaya
Tvaritam Hayamadaya
Punarayan Mahayashah.
Punarayan Mahayashaha.
Tvaritam. Does anyone remember any shloka with the word Tvaritam? In Suprabhatam. Tvaritam Bharitam Tvaritam Bharitam Paraya Krupaya Paripahi Hare Vina Venkatesho Nanatha. The last one, but one shloka of that. So Tvaritam. Tvarita is in hurry. Tvara is hurry. So Tvaritam, in hurry. Tvaritam Hayamadaya, by taking the horse in quickly. Punarayat, he returned back. Mahayashaha, the great famed Amshuman. Viryavan, the warrior Viryavan. Suparna Vachanam Shrutva, by listening to the instructions of Suparna, who's Garuda, Khagadipa. By listening to him, immediately Anshuman, Viryavan, Hayam Adaya, Tvaritam Punarayat, he returned back quickly. Tato Rajanam Asadya
Tato Rajanamasadya
Dikshitam Raghunandana
Dikshitam Raghunandanaha
Nyavedayad Yathavrittam
Nyavedayat Yatyata Vrittam
Suparna Vachanam Tatha.
Suparna Vachanam Tatha.
So Tataha, after that, Dikshitam Rajanam Asadya. So Sagara, why did he not care about anything else? Because he was in the Yajna Diksha. When you are in the Diksha, nothing else, no other news, no other grief, nothing should matter. You should be focused on that Diksha. So Dikshitam, because he was a Dikshita for that Yajna, Raghunandana, Dikshitam Rajanam Asadya, by reaching that Dikshita Raja Sagara, Yathavrittam Suparna Vachanam Tatha Nyavedayat. Nivedanam Kartavan Nyavedayat. Ni Avedayat Nyavedayat. So he reported as whatever happened there and also whatever he was told by Suparna. He told all of that. He reported all of that to the Dikshita Raja Sagara. Tachutva Ghora Sankasham
Tachutva Ghora Sankasham
Vakyam Amshumato Nrupaha
Vakyam Amshumato Nrupaha
Yajnam Nivartayamasa
Yajnam Nivartayamasa
Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi.
Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi.
Tachutva Ghora Sankasham. Ghora, horrible. By listening to that horrible news of how he found those ash heaps and all, Amshumataha Vakyam, Ghora Sankasham, Nrupaha Shrutva, the king, having listened to that horrible news of, as reported by Anshuman, but because he was Dikshita, Yatha Kalpam, Yatha Vidhi, as prescribed by the manuals, Yajna manuals, Yatha Kalpam and Yatha Vidhi, as per his responsibility, as per his duties, Yajnam Nivartayamasa. He didn't say, oh, mera beta gaya re, Yajna chodo golimar, let me run to my son's heaps. No, because he was Dikshit of the Yajna. So he said, forget it. I have to continue with it now that the horse came back. So Yatha Vidhi, Yatha Kalpam, Yajnam Nivartayamasa. Swapuram Chagamat Shigram.
Swapuram Chagamat Shigram.
Anishta Yajnyo Mahipatihi.
Anishta Yajnyo Mahipatihi.
Gangayas Chagame Raja.
Gangayas Chagame Raja.
Nischayam Nadhyagachata.
Nishchayam Naga
Nadhyagachata. So, Nivartayamasa, he completed the yajna, right? Purvam. And then Swapuram cha agamat. He also came back to Swapuram, came back to his city. We saw right from Ashwamedha, Dasharatha and all. When you do yajna, you build the yajna shala outskirts because you don't want to disturb the city. You need huge space. So you have to go out and build the yajna shala, yajna vedi and all. So he completed that and he Swapuram cha agamat. He returned back to his city. Anishtha yajnaha, because of the nishta of the yajna. He, having completed the nishta of yajna, he returned back to city. Mahipati, he returned back. However, Gangayascha agame Raja nischayam na adhigachata. However, he somehow he lost the focus or memory of bringing Ganga for the sake of Sagaras, for the sake of 60,000 children, as reported by Anshuman, that was told by Garuda. He forgot about that, or he didn't. Na adhigachata, it quite somehow didn't catch his attention. He ignored it. Ignored it anyway. Na adhigachata, he ignored it. What did he ignore? Gangayascha agame. Agamanam is coming. In the coming of Ganga, he somehow ignored it. That means he didn't care about endeavoring to bring Ganga. That is what is about Sagara. Akritva nischayam Raja.
Akritva nischayam Raja.
Kalena mahata mahat.
Kalena mahata mahan.
Trimshad varsha sahasrani.
Trimshad darsha sahasrani.
Trimshad varsha sahasrani.
Trimshad varsha sahasrani.
Rajyam krutva divam gataha.
Rajyam krutva divam gataha.
So he ruled nischayam akritva, without making any decision about the project of Ganga. He ignored that. Without making any decision on the akritva nischayam Raja. Kalena mahata kalena, in a long period of Trimshad varsha sahasrani, 30,000 years, Rajyam kritva, by ruling the state, by ruling the empire, divam gataha. He finally left this body and went to Divloka. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Ekachatvarimsha Sargah. And the story continues. Sasesham. In fact, the Ganga's mission, the third mission, is just set here by Garuda to Anshuman. But somehow Sagara didn't take it forward. He ignored it. Chalega. We do not know why. Valmiki didn't write anything much. The next circle, also he starts with that very line, saying, oh, because he didn't care much. Then Anshuman took over reins and he initiates. But he also gets busy with the rule and all. With all the earth is destroyed, he was more focused on, like we say, right? Every time BJP gets back to power, their first problem is to fill the holes of all the corruption and leaks created by the previous governments. So he also has to focus more on getting the whole things back into the thing. So he also could not completely bring Ganga. Though he attempts, he thought about it, he attempts, but he could not complete it. And so it had to go to the next reigns till Narendra Modi came. Something like that. Anybody has any comments? Oh, let's stop recording also. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti.